Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the Google Doc you want translated. Once open, go straight to Tools, then Translate Document. This is the only built-in method that creates a clean translated copy. Choose the target language from the list, name the translated file if you want, and click Translate. This duplicates the document and runs Google Translate on the full text, so you avoid manual copy/paste. Make sure you're online. The service calls Google's translation engine to preserve paragraph flow and basic formatting. Once the translated copy appears, open it and compare it to the original file, side by side if useful. You need to edit because automatic translation can change tone, mistranslate technical words, or alter names. Use the Find and Replace tool to fix repeated terms fast, and switch to suggesting mode when collaborating so reviewers see your changes. If a paragraph reads awkwardly, rephrase it rather than reverting to single word swaps. That preserves meaning while keeping fluency and formatting intact. Finish by restoring any complex formatting, tables, footnotes, or headings, because automatic translation can shift spacing. Make quick manual fixes and then export as PDF or docx if needed. Share the translated copy with proper permissions, or copy corrected paragraphs back into the original document if you must preserve the original file ID. If you don't see tools, right arrow translate document. Make sure you're signed into a standard Google account, not a restricted workplace account. Also try another browser or clear cache as a troubleshooting step to restore the menu.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.